Guys, what are you seeing now? Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So now the career opportunities in AI, there will be different career opportunities, which is most, as I said, right? Because of this, especially consultant, you will be seeing, you will be able to do all this kind of roles. Okay. So AI consultant, AI business analyst, AI tester, AI engineer, AI product owner, AI project manager, and subject matter expertise. So this points that we'll be discussing today, you will be after this, you will be able to even explore all these opportunities because this is all no coding kind of technologies, and this will be like again leveraging the between the business and the developers. Even developers will be like hardly one or two people. And however, we have other trainings as well as a part of our this one. So once you complete the AI consultant training, you will also have three more advanced level of trainings, which is AI tester, which they will be doing automation testing using AI and testing AI models. Okay, like AI end-to-end agentic workflows. This is a core deeper, deeper advanced training, which you will be going with Python coding and model building using coding. So for that, you need to learn coding. So that's one of the advanced course. We have a developer course as well. You will be developing the complete end-to-end using LangGraph and LangChain, and a complete different level of the same whatever the workflows that you are developing today in this particular workshop, you will be able to do using coding, like the libraries like LangChain, LangGraph. That is the advanced course for becoming a developer. And there's one more course called AI Ops Engineer, where it is a DevOps engineer equivalent in AI, where you will be able to not only do the cloud engineering, but you will be able to host all the GPUs because we won't use servers anymore. That's called GPUs in AI world, where you'll be deploying your LLMs or models on a GPU, which will always be fast to respond. It is not a server, it is not an application, but it's called GPU. So we'll tell you how to develop and deploy GPUs. Okay. So the deployment part, which is DevOps equivalent, developer part, which is like a developer and tester, all these roles are redefined and the courses are defined. But all these courses, this is an entry point. Okay, if you know this, then you can, after that, if you want to, like go advanced, you can go, but this is the basics of the first part of AI. If you know this, you will know like 70-80%. The remaining, you can go advanced. Guys, this is the today's workshop is again, I'm telling, we've gone 2 hours. We won't be able to go in depth, but we will try to cover as much as possible. So we are having found, we will tell you what is the foundations of AI and practical tooling. Again, this is what tools are using for you to develop AI. Okay, that is what are the different tools like ChatGPT, prompt engineering, and DALI and Midway Journey. There's some very nice tools, and Lovable is one of the tool that this girl is using. That is absolutely great tools. You don't even imagine. I know people are using ChatGPT, but ChatGPT is 1% of the tools which is available outside. Because you don't know, that doesn't mean that it's not existing. Okay, there are hundreds of greater tools which is built on ChatGPT. Okay, guys, I'm telling ChatGPT is good, but ChatGPT uses OpenAI, which is LLM. So that on LLM, there are a lot of new tools that is built. Even now, Copilot. Okay, Copilot also uses ChatGPT behind, not ChatGPT, OpenAI. Okay, OpenAI is the ChatGPT's library behind it. So there are greater tools. We'll show a few tools to you, and finally, the ultimate, the latest trend, okay, of AI is not ChatGPT. The latest trend is agentic AI, which is nothing but creating AI agents. Okay, if you are a tester, you are a developer, you are a business, you are running a restaurant or you are running a showroom, anything, or you are applying for the jobs or you are looking for, write some blog post, anything that you want to do in the life, you can use agent. Okay,
Yeah.
guys. So I'll tell you one thing, guys. The fundamentals of AI is nothing but you need to have data, and you need to know how to connect with the data. You need to know how to connect with the different parts of AI. Okay, so let me share my screen, and let me show you an example of how an end-to-end AI application will look like. Okay, so once you see this, we can actually link it back. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, so I will tell you one end-to-end tool, and then we will go into the details of it. Okay, so
You are going to share screen.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, guys, can you see my screen?
Yet to. Yes. Yes.
Okay, so now, guys, this is one end-to-end AI agent. Okay, so let me show you what it is. Okay, this is developed without any coding, and if you join our training, you will be able to design the similar AI agents by yourself. Okay, hardly it will take 20 hours of time of your time. Okay, so this is AI, guys. Can see here. Now this is an AI which is nothing but AI receptionist. Okay, so you know what a receptionist does? Can anybody tell what a receptionist will do in a hotel or a company or anywhere?
They just pick up incoming new requests,
Mhm.
like for inquiries, and then depending on that, what kind of request, they'll route the next set of events and activities, which we call process. Next, it could be a check-in or a new booking if it's a hotel.
Okay, okay. So, okay, hope you can see exactly you're right. So you will get a call, somebody calls you and they want to tell that they want to do something. Okay, example, they want to talk to someone or they want to, maybe they want some resolution. So example, if it's GP also, the same thing, you'll call. So what first thing? So there is one application called WAPI, which is again AI. So this is the beauty, guys. If you have multiple AI sitting together and doing one end-to-end workflow, that's called agentic AI. So now this is a application called WAPI, which takes the phone call into an application, not your digital, not like your landline. It will go to a web. And then what this agent will do is it will check what kind of, is it a good or bad? Okay. Now here, the beauty of that is you can actually read what kind of call is that. And if it is a valid call, then the call will actually go, because if somebody is talking, somebody like example, an AI is calling an AI. So there's no human or there's nothing coming. Then straight away, this AI will stop it. That will save like 70% of your time. Now, if once it is good, so we are using one model called Grok and AI agent. So what it will do, this is an AI, guys. Okay. See here, this is an AI agent which is using prompt engineering to identify what kind of message or what kind of, what is that the call is for. So this is like giving a requirement to an AI, telling them, please behave like this. Okay, and that's called your prompt engineering. So I'm telling a system message saying that you are an AI assistant tasked with extracted secure structured reservation details from a customer call transcripts and generate a professional confirmation email. Okay, so what we are saying, you take the input, read the people's phone number, email, guest, ask these questions. Example, I think it's in hotel. Okay, so ask some questions when they want to book a hotel and take their email, and this all AI. And then, okay, so then what it takes the particular message and it will go to a AI agent. And what this agent will do, this is called your ChatGPT, or you can even put your OpenAI or whatever it is. Grok. Grok is nothing but one more thing equivalent to ChatGPT. So what this model will do, it will actually response back using AI. Okay, hello, thank you very much. Because this agent is reading, it will understanding your thing, and then this model will respond back saying, okay, thank you for information, and let me check the calendar. So that response is given by AI understanding. This is one more AI. Now this is something called Google Calendar. So automatically it will put a message. It will actually block that particular room for that particular hotel for that particular guy. Then once the block is done, then it will make a beautiful email using a formatted email, and then the agent will check the calendar. If calendar is okay, then it will go and format an email. Then it will say that, okay, guys, okay, I got a calendar invite, so the room is available, and it will tell, but wait for a couple of minutes, let me confirm. And what it will do, it will start seeing, are you an existing customer or you are a new customer? Okay, see how nice it is. It will check whether your email is part of the database, which is nothing but check the detail. If you're an existing customer, then it will take one. It will log. It will log your particular. It will log your name and everything in Excel sheet, because end of the day you need to your admin have to see how many reservations are there. So and the log of the call is booked. Then an SMS is sent to the customer. Then a database record is done. Then an email is also sent to the customer. If it is an existing customer, it will use the email. If a new customer, it send new email. Ultimately, this AI will tell what to do. Then automatically the confirmation will be 4 different steps. Logging the call, sending an SMS, storing the data in database, because ultimately when the guy go to hotel, then you need to see the database, right? So data is there. And finally, an email will send to the customer. Okay. See, like this particular agent will automate all your calls. So you just need to link your phone number to this AI, then everything is handled. If you are existing customer, if you're a new customer, if you already, you need to change your booking, or if you want to cancel your booking, everything this AI will understand. Based on that, it will respond. Okay. And if it is a cancellation also, it will send. See, now here, this small, you look like very small, but this is an architecture of an agent which does AI, okay, into your a receptionist. Okay, and guys, this is not a this you will be able to do yourself in 20 hours of training with us, where you will be knowing what is MCP server. Example, you can see here, there is something called example. I want to add a component. Okay, here MCP server. Okay, so we have a lot of MCP server, MCP tool. So you will be able to, because if you want to develop all this, you should have MCP server. So we'll teach you what is MCP server. Okay, and you have RAG. Okay, so as a part of this, we will teach you what is RAG as well. So RAG starter template, we will tell, because of this, we need to, RAG is nothing but your database integration with AI, guys. Okay, so MCP is third-party integration, RAG is database integration. Okay, and finally, you also will be able to integrate with tools. Okay, so a tool agent. So you will be having you can link with different tool. And if you want to write the code, example, you write some Python code, which you don't want to do at this code, maybe advanced we will teach you, but you will be able to write the code here itself. Okay, nobody stops. And then finally, OpenAI. I think this is what you will be happy. So I'm seeing, but where is the AI? AI, OpenAI, which is ChatGPT, that you people are loving nowadays, and getting a big like love for it, is just one component of our codes. Okay, so we use OpenAI to do lot of things. Example, why I need to use AI? Okay, OpenAI. So I can use AI to create an assistant, analyze an image. Example, I create an agent to verify the images that somebody is uploading in my company's portal. So I can do image generation. I can generate audio file. Right now I'm using Grok, but I can use ChatGPT. Or if you want to think, sir, I don't want ChatGPT, can I use Copilot? Okay. Copilot, yes, Microsoft SharePoint. I think Copilot is not part of this, but we can use Llama, Slack, Llama, Cloud, Anthropic. Okay, yeah, we can use all these things, guys. So what I'm saying is, this particular thing, you have a lot of AI agents. So what I'm telling is, don't love only ChatGPT. You can love Gemini. You can use this, but you all should be able to play around all these tools, just like the way that I am doing. Okay, I can integrate Gemini just like this, guys. Okay, so what I need to use? I use Gemini for message model. It will take hardly 2 minutes for me to integrate. I just need to put the Google APIs and it will be done. Okay, it's not a big thing, guys. So I'm like playing, not only me, my students are playing with these tools, just like that. And what is the advantage of that? You will be able to get good jobs, you will be able to implement in your AI everywhere, and you will be able to, um, contributes towards your company. An example, your automation testing, or if you want to do manual testing, you want to create an agent to write test cases, agent to verify test cases. Agent do what Scrum Master is doing. That's what one of my students was saying. He replaced this Scrum Master with AI. Then the company had given him the best employee award. What he have done? Nothing. He just done. He had created an agent to replace his Scrum Master. What is Scrum Master? Moving the Jira tickets. Even the Jira is here. Okay. Jira software. So I can integrate Jira here. Okay. So I can use AI to change whenever I take comment saying that the testing is done, looking good, then it will go to the done status. Testing is not done. It will, they have 2 bugs. Then go to automatically what Scrum Master is doing, dragging and dropping. Jira can do. Okay. Or if you want to Azure, you want to do like DevOps, everything is available, guys. I'm telling. We are in a very advanced world because people don't know what is the power of AI, or you don't know about the tools. You are like using ChatGPT and thinking you are the best person in the world using AI. But my point of view, you are 1%. You're not using full time. Okay. So this is what AI, guys. I mean, whatever I had shown that tool that is called N8N, which is used for developing the applications and also developing your agents and everything. So that is an ultimate tool that we will be, teaching as a part of your tooling and concept to explain the concepts. That is the tool. But now the other thing that I want to show you in next 10 minutes um, is what our Sri Lakshmi will tell you. So again, coming back to that, let us just go one step back. So there are different tools, guys. So for AI, the productivity tools I'm telling, there are ChatGPT, obviously you know. For image generation, there's a two different tools: Midway Journey and DALL-E. Okay, so DALL-E 3 used to be very nice tool, but that is integrated in your ChatGPT. Okay, but however, my point of view, there is other tools like uh, Google had Google one thing. What is that called? VEO 3. Okay, so VEO 3 is now the best image generation tool. Okay, so previously Midway Journey DALL-E is there, but by the time I'm writing this particular presentation, and this presentation again done through Skywork, which is a different tool, but this is just 10 days back. But within 10 days back, there's a very nice new tool came called VEO 3.10. Okay, and that is the best tool to generate images. But for that also, you need to know how to write better prompts. But that image generation, VEO through and DALL-E are the best tools. Voice point of view, synthesis, 11 Labs and Play HD are the two best tools to create a voice, your prompt into voice. And you can link that to your things like N8N to automate your voice. I think that particular model I had shown you, they're not using 11 Labs, they're using Grok for the voice, but 11 Labs is also one tool to create the voice. So basically what I'm telling guys is these are the best tools to do those kind of things, okay, in your own world. Okay, so text to ChatGPT, image VAO3, voice 11 Labs, video creation. Again, I think Vivo IO3 came. Runway and DAD are good, but now Vivo IO3 is really good. Okay, let me show you my screen. Anna, let me share my screen.
Sure.
Guys, hope you can see. Because they had recently opened this. Now this is the best tool available in voice and image generation. Okay, ChatGPT is very bad at image generation. Okay, it will give you some templates, but it's not so great. But my point of view, use Gemini Vivo 3.0. It's an absolutely nice. See this kind of images you are getting. Okay. And I'm telling, don't just see the homepage and buy, subscribe, guys. The better is the particular tool which will understand your prompts and give you the images. That is what the difference between one particular thing. Example, I'm saying here, why not our subscription? There is our subscription. I think we used to have a subscription. I don't know where it went, but image for something like New Year party. Okay. Okay. Instead of ChatGPT for image and videos, use this. That's what I'm telling. Okay. So this Vivo Evo 3, which is part of Gemini, see here how nice it is. Is it looking good, guys? And if you go to ChatGPT, you'll get the worst photo ever. Same prompt, I use it, but you will get the bad thing. Okay. But here, I think there was one bug that you might have identified. I'm not sure. Okay. See here, guys. What is the bug here? What is the wrong here, guys, in this image? Can anybody guess?
20250 is missing.
Exactly. Exactly. Okay.
But
Guys, now I'll give the stage to Sri Lakshmi, which is our existing student. And guys, it's very, very important. I'm very impressed with the work that you have done. So, I mean, I used to work for Eurostar Trains. I think you people know. I used to work for Virgin as well. So we developed the train websites. Like it had taken like ages to develop one website. But she had within 10-15 minutes, she was able to develop a single website, including backend and integration with payment. Please carry on. Guys, please welcome Sri Lakshmi. She's our existing student. We don't believe she just joined like maybe 2-3 weeks back. Now she's doing good and doing a great job. Go ahead, Sri Lakshmi.
Hi all. Hi, I'm Sri Lakshmi. Actually, I have joined this batch recently. Like, I think I had 5 or 6 sessions, and actually, it was a wonderful session. You guys won't believe. Like with the ChatGPT, yeah, you can just say test ChatGPT with LLM and other AI tools. I was able to develop many things. Like this is one example. That now, but let me
no
just show
worries,
you
no
the beginning.
worries, no worries.
I can, when I say that I made it in 10 minutes, I think you guys won't believe me. So I thought I'll just show you guys. I'll just show before that. This is the website. I told that I need a hotel, means somewhere I can book a hotel from somebody. Just a website, because Anna taught us like, okay, you can use this AI based platform for making a website. So I thought, okay, let me try with one. I thought, okay, I want a hotel management based one. So I thought, let the name be Valley. I needed many prompts. Like, I don't know the technical terms, like, okay, this one should be like this. I need these names. I am not a professional hotel management person, so I don't know what the requirements will be. Okay, I thought, okay, I want a hotel based one. Okay, the name will be Valley. Then the remaining thing I need, right? What all should be there? What all should this content should be there? What I should search? What all the, for if you check in a hotel, it should be have the quality should be there, booking should be there, the destination price, and so many things. Like a set of photographs should be there to show what all are there, what are the facilities that are available. Then what is the website's quality, like how many search options are there, what's my excellence, so my website's excellence, the services we offer. Then I have the contact form where you can send details to the person who is owning this website. There's email, phone number, and also an address. And these all things are created by AI, not by me. Just the prompt. My part is only the prompt. And here I was playing, so you can see that no luxury hotels. Actually, I had more than 40 hotels in there, and that too, I didn't type like, okay, this hotel belongs to there. That is also a prompt where the AI went, found this website, found these hotels for me from different websites, and it loaded it to the backend and showed me, okay, these things belong to these continents, and you can add it on. So if you ask me, what I did is I used LLM where I got the prompt. I used in Lovable, and here I got the website. And here I could say, like, if you are somebody who wants to do these things, like something what I professional, not a single professional, you can say a team. You have friend, you designer should be there, the front end team should be there, the back end team should be there, AI integration should be there, integration team should be there, testing team should be there. Everything was done by me. So that too in very limited period.
Anybody have any other question? Okay, yeah. If not, thanks, Sri Lakshmi. Thank you very much for joining, guys. Maybe
Thank
you can
you.
just give some appreciation for her. She will
Thank you,
keep
Sri Lakshmi.
her motivation.
Thank you.
Nice work.
Yeah.
Nice
It was
work.
very nice, Sri
Excellent
Lakshmi.
work.
Thank you for that. Yeah.
Mhm.
Very nice.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.